Are you feeling tired lately and have less energy? Well, this nutritional smoothie right here is the way to go. This nutritional smoothie helps to give your body a lot of energy. But first, let me give you guys a rundown of the 4 health benefits that this smoothie has to offer. It increases fiber intake, can be a meal replacement, can provide a nutritional balance of fat, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, and also help to manage your food cravings. So if you want to learn this healthy nutritional smoothie, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and wait no more. Let's go ahead and go make us this healthy nutritional smoothie. Let's go! We are going to use only 5 ingredients to make this nutritional smoothie. We have our dry roasted peanut, our organic low-fat milk, our Quaker oats, chia seed, and our ripe bananas. To my blender, I am going in with half cups of my raw oatmeal. To that, I'm going in with half cups of my raw unsalted peanuts. Going in now with my bananas. So to this recipe, I am just going to use 2 of my ripe bananas. And you just want to either cut it up, or if you want to break it and just add it to your blender, you can go ahead and do whichever way you like. I'm just breaking it apart and just adding it to my blender, just like so. Now I am going in with my organic milk, and I'm adding the milk so that my other ingredients can be leveled. You don't want to add less milk and then your smoothie comes out too thick and you're not going to really enjoy it. So make sure you add enough milk. Going in with 1 tablespoon of my chia seed. I cannot wait to dig in. And just cover that up and just blend until everything is smooth and is looking nice and delicious. I know this is gonna be tasting refreshing and good. Look at all of my ingredients blending up. Now we are all finished. I'm just going to show you guys how my smoothie looks like, and look, it is blended out smooth and is, the texture is everything. This is exactly how I was looking, for the texture to look like. I am pleased with the texture, not too thick and not too watery. It is just perfectly fine. Please try this out in your kitchen and let me know how it came out. Now I'm just going to, share my smoothie here, and look, the texture is everything. Follow these steps and I promise you, you will not regret it. All right. To garnish off my smoothie, I am going on top with some of my unsalted peanut, just to give it that nice little garnishing, nutritional look. And there you have it, my nutritional smoothie in my kitchen. So if you enjoyed this simple, quick, and easy smoothie recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment below, and let me know what you think about this smoothie recipe. Give me your honest feedback and how much you would rate this video. This is a very nutritional smoothie. When you drink it, I know you would have a lot of energy throughout your day. So guys, again, please do not forget to subscribe, enjoy, and stay tuned for more recipes, and more content is coming up. So please interact with me in the comment section so I can know, what is going on. So stay safe, stay hydrated, and see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.